Good morning everyone! So we are here walking in the runway. So I'm gonna show you. Ayan. So we were staying right in that building. So we just walked down to this McDonald's down and then there's a left. So this is how it looks. Hi! Hi! Ciao! That's the Skyway. See that. So it's our first time in runway. It's cool. Gremo. Look, Val. Hi, Val. It's nice, na? Oh, what is that? GTA?
No!
What is that?
GTR.
Huh?
GTR.
GTR, wow. So,
No, it's not.
okay, it's not. So let's go. Well, we're not in a hurry. Saan po chassis, no? Mati dogo chassis.
Mamo.
Kayo pa to? Oh, it's a rubber. What is that?
Yeah, it was on the floor.
Aya. What's going on natin? 823.
823, it's 123.
I 123. You change it? Okay, so see you on the other side. So we're just going. Level 3 ate ha. We are level, what's this now? 4. They're in a hurry. So ayun. It's nice kasi meron siyang escalator pababa. Hindi talaga siya nakakapagod. O, diba? Shala-shala. Ganon. So, we'll see Emma now. We're gonna meet Emma. Si Engrat hug Emma no. Dali yan, nakalimutan niya. Wala na recording. Oo. Engrat no, si Engrat. No, Dino. Dino Hitro, no? Dino? Oh.
A few minutes later.
We're going to land now. Look at that. Wait. Oh my God, may basag yung ano niya. Oh. See, that's the island. Bora. Oh, we're here now in Kapitlan.
Oh my goodness, Tita, I am going to cry.
Why? Oh, pala.
Oh my goodness.
Uy, pero smooth yung landing.
Akala ko turbulence pa rin yan.
Uy, pero smooth yung landing, ha? In fairness. The pilot is good. Hi. Ha? Alin sino? Ano ba yun? Akala ko naman kung ano.
Bakit?
Anyway, so yun. So we land already.
Come here, give me the Come here, come closer, come closer. Come closer, come closer. Oh.
Ay, ano ba yun? Ba't may ganun? Hoy, ipopost ko to, kala mo.
What do you mean? I love eating the camera.
Hoy, iba-vlog ko to, kala mo. Sige ka.
Come on, video. Magandang ano. Ay, ganda ko dyan.
Hoy, tama na.
To be honest,
We just landed in Kapitlan Airport. We're preparing to go out. Ayan. Patience lang.
hello,
Ready na siya. This is my niece.
Hello, kapachukos. Hello, kapachukos. It's me.
Hello guys. I'm gonna upload it.
Every time na may mga nagbablog, hello guys talaga.
A few inches later.
Welcome to Bora, mga bakla.
Dito pa tayo sa Kapitlan. Wala sa Bora. Pero diba? Look, 360.
Hello mga guys. Do you feel bonita? Good. That means you are bonita.
Oh, there. Arrival of...
Post na yan ah.
Ayan.
3,000 years later.
So we are riding now in a jet plane. Inside. Ayun si Kuya. It's lens casting. Yun. So, see you in Boracay na. See you in Boracay.
A few inches later.
Ayan. So, nandito na kami sa isla. Isla ng Boracay. Walking kami. We're going to walk. What? What?
Baby, see the letter.
Yeah, that's a Boracay thing. You want to have a photo there? You want to have a photo there?
Yes.
Not now, maybe it's too hot. So, ayan.
I post
We're going to ride another tricycle. I don't know. Going to, there's a crying there, crying child. Going to our hotel. So, we're gonna stay at, oh ma, come here. Serene La Playa de Boracay. Where are they now?
3,000 years later.
So, we are finally here in our hotel. So, we are in the reception area. We just, no, in the bar area. That's the reception is there. And here is the bar. We will have a little refreshment here because we get so tired and stressed of the travel from airport in Catiglan coming here, and it's so hot. So we just rest here for a minute. And then I'm gonna go up to our room. And then we'll just rest a little, and then we're gonna go to the Ayon. So see you again later. Yeah. So this is our hotel, and I'm gonna walk this towards the beach.
A few inches later.
I'm here now in the beach in Station 2. So ayan ang oh my god. So crowded. Already in our room, guys. So I'm gonna make a short room tour. So ang kukulit ni Val tsaka Emma, naghahabulan sila sa. So we booked this deluxe. We have 2 queen size bed. Ayan. And we have that.
I'm just gonna jump in the bed.
So makalat na agad siya, guys. So we have our like a little table there, and we have a little cabinet, and inside the cabinet is a small fridge, and we have the safety lock.
My fridge?
Safety lock, yeah.
You need to catch
We have the TV there, and this is our toilet. So si taba is inside, so I cannot show it to you right now. And we have this little balcony. So yan, with 2 chairs there, and this is our view, mountain view. So in that down there is the path going to the beach. So just a few, like 2 minutes, 1 minute walk, 1 minute walk lang pala siya. So ayan, so that's it for today. So we're gonna sign off for today's vlog. So thank you for watching. I hope you like our video. If you have some questions, recommendations, or whatever, comment down it below. And don't forget to like this video, guys, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. So I'm gonna see you again on our next vlog. Bye! This is your Mami Rosa signing off.
Thanks for watching mga kayos. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell. And for more videos, just click on the boxes on the right. See you in my next vlog. Bye!